Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and I'm really glad that you clicked on this video. Today's video is a celebration video for hitting 101 subscribers. Guys, it's insane. I hit it December 31st, so it was an amazing way to go into the new year. And I'm so happy and I can't thank you guys enough, and I'm really excited to keep growing and just, okay, sorry, little freak out moment. I'm gonna be baking 101 cookies, and then I'm gonna be giving it out to kids in my school as a just thank you for all your support, because there's a lot of ingredients that go into this, but I'm super excited, and let's get on to the video. I found a recipe online for 300 cookies. I kind of just divided everything by 3, so hopefully this turns out right, and I already got flour on my face. I'll just read the recipe out loud to you. I just kind of made it up as I went. So there's going to be 4 1/6 cups of white sugar, the same amount of packed brown sugar, 2 7/10 cups of margarine or 3.5 cups of oil, 5 eggs and 3 egg yolks, 1/9 cup of vanilla extract, which I for the next few things I made it a little bit more because I was looking at proportion wise it wasn't going to work. 1/2 tablespoon of salt, a 1/12 cup of baking soda. This is the craziest thing. Ready? 12 1/12 cups of flour, and 3 9 pounds of semi-sweet chocolate chips. So I have this huge bowl with me. I'm hoping it all fits. If it doesn't, that's not gonna be good. I don't know if I have enough brown sugar, so we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, so first thing goes into my bowl is my sugar and oil. We're just gonna dump those 2 bowls of sugar. Dump this bowl of brown sugar. Now we're gonna add in the oil. I use oil because I don't like margarine or butter. I'm just gonna pour 1 bowl in. I'm gonna pour, oh, 1 second, this one's really heavy. The second bowl in. We're gonna add in the oil. That wasn't oil. Eggs. Can I just take a second, a little break, to say Henry Golding, the guy who plays Nick in Crazy Rich Asians, can I have you? Thank you. We're gonna put this aside and work on the dry mixture. This is my giant bowl of flour. I'm gonna dump in my baking powder and salt and kind of try to get them in, but like not really because there's so much of this. And now the crazy. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna pour this in super slowly. Dough. It is made. It is, oh my god, it is heavy. And now we are going to attempt to get 101. So I'm going to use these lasagna pans so I can try to get as many of them as. I'm going to be using an ice cream scooper to get out the balls of dough so they're nice and round. It's little ice cream scoops. Tray 1 is finished, 16 cookies down, 85 more to go. Tray number 2 is done. That makes 32 cookies, 69 to go. Tray 3 and Alexa, 16 times 3.
16 times 3 is 48.
48 cookies done, which means I have 53 left to go. Tray number 4 is down. Okay, Google, 16 times 4. Alexa, 16 times 4.
16 times 4 is 64.
101 minus 64.
101 minus 64 equals 37.
I have this much dough left, so I'm gonna have to start splitting these in half. Yeah. Tray 5 done, and that means, Alexa, 16 times 5.
16 times 5 is 80.
80 cookies done, which means you got 21 more to go, which means one more tray and then 5 more in another tray. Ladies, we got this. Let's go. Alexa, 16 times 6.
16 times 6 is 96.
5 more, let's go. It took 7 trays and 50 minutes, but I have successfully made 101 cookies to celebrate 101 subscribers. I can't wait to do this for 1,000,000. This is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad that you came. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out all my other videos while you're at it, because maybe you can make some cookies and just have a little binge fest, you know what I'm saying? Again, thank you so much for 101 subscribers. Absolutely blow my mind. Keep on sharing the love and comment. Spread all that is me, I guess. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.